So let's say you wanted to add a track to the page. Now, just a little disclaimer before I do this. I used to think it was a great idea to add a track to the page, but I don't think this idea is as effective for websites where you have videos or you have audio content that you want users to listen to, because they need to find the off button for the audio that's playing. So just keep this in mind if you're adding music to the site, that there could be two pieces of audio playing, which can get confusing for the user. So let's go ahead and try to add some music. So I'm going to click Add here. And then I'm going to go to the music section here, and I'm going to go to the audio player, and I'm going to choose the simplest looking one here. Just going to click it, and it's going to show up. And I'm going to put it right here underneath the title. Now I'm going to click Change Track, and I'm going to upload a track. In the media folder here, it's good to stay organized, so I'm going to add a folder and call it Music Tracks. So here I'm going to upload a song. I'm going to upload a song from my recent album, Sasvata. So I'm going to add that track. I can set my playback settings to be play once or play it in a loop. So let's hear how that works together. And I'm going to preview the page. So WIX does have other types of players. So let's have a look at what else there is. So I can have the track name as well. And I can input the details. I can select an album cover. I can put that up here like that. So here's a player with a different type of design, and you can go in and actually you can customize the color and make changes however you feel suitable.